There's my breadboard and chassis. There's the name. Here we have the H bridge back here connected to the battery packs, which is, and this H bridge is connected to the Arduino. The battery packs are in series. What else? The H bridge is connected to the motors as well. We have powered this not by a computer, but by flipping a switch. We're powered by the batteries. If we simulate a left light, the right wheel turns, turning the robot left. If we have a light to the right, we simulate that by pressing this button, and the left wheel turns. If one of the wheels is going, and it senses a collision, it stops. Same thing with the other side. If it senses a collision, it stops. If the robot is moving forward and it senses a collision, both wheels will stop.